With every rising sun, with every new day, comes the chance to make a difference. Some see this as an opportunity. We see it as a responsibility. The Cooper Center for Environmental Learning has a simple but vital mission: reveal the science and wonder of nature to kids in a way that changes how they see the world. Since 1964, more than 130,000 children have walked our trails, studied the plants and animals, learned about biology and ecology, system dynamics, adaptation. They've engaged in hands-on science education that brings a powerful new dimension of learning to support local teachers and classroom instruction. In the process, we help students at the University of Arizona learn and practice real-world teaching, and we help scientists around the world make environmental learning even better through published research on our programs, all with the vision that kids who discover a love of nature grow into adults who respect and care for our planet. It's a big idea, but at the end of the day, it's not our future at stake. It's theirs. And they deserve everything we can do to protect it.